let's talk about a Uber driver is putting every dollar she earns into a different type of investment.
Yeah, finger crossed, fingers crossed. Um, she is going to be hopefully, nowadays, Chris, I always say hopefully because although we do have a deal, they don't show up. These drivers, they go, yeah, yeah, I'll be there. And then I go jump on Zoom, nobody's there. They stand me up, bro. They stand me up. I don't know what's going on. So this driver, Miss Stamp, she's on Twitter as well, Lindsay Stamp, and she has a W-2, but she drives Uber part time. And about 4 years ago, she started doing something that, and this caught my eye on the article, and then I researched her on X and DM'd her, and she responded. And hopefully, we're going to jump on and do behind the wheel. This whole thing goes with the driver's corner topic as well that we're about to discuss. Is currently in season 2 of her Uber Chronicles, Stamp shares stories um, in a what format? Vlog
Wow.
format, discussing her encounters with interesting passengers. So she drives Uber part time. For the last 4 years, whatever she was making, Chris, she's been stacking it in Bitcoin. And when I saw that, I go, hold on a second. How amazing of a story is this? And we know what has happened over the last 4 years. So even if you didn't do Bitcoin, if you did anything, stock market, whatever it is, that gold, whatever it is that you put your money into, that money would have turned into some serious, serious money. For Lindsay Stamp, driving an Uber isn't just a side hustle, it's a way to stack Bitcoin. And the product manager and social media personality has documenting her journey on X, sharing financial tidbits, motivational messages under Uber Chronicles. Stamp is trying to get rich the same way she has grown famous, by driving. Stamp writes that lately she has been using her earnings from behind the wheel,
Hmm.
appropriate, to acquire Bitcoin. Good for you, Lindsay. 5 years ago, I owned no real estate, very little stocks, and thought Bitcoin was a scam. It's never too late to make moves. If you're willing to do the research, create a plan, execute on the plan. These are almost sounding like my words, aren't they?
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Good things will happen eventually. 100% agree. 100% agree. 100%. And this kind of gives me a little segue into actually, I can, if I may, Chris, can I put my new website address down there somewhere, or you can do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
So folks, I just launched a finance website. It's www.sergioavadian.com. It's free, obviously. Please go check it out. Please subscribe. There's going to be a free newsletter that goes out every week. We just launched a website. Go check it out, www.sergioavadian.com. I also have a YouTube channel, which you can check that out as well. It's nothing to do with rideshare, but it's something to do with pivoting. It's something to do with information, correct information, proper education, because I believe financial education is lacking in this country from elementary school all the way to college, which includes millions and millions and millions of drivers. Okay. And I don't want to hear one word about, oh, Serge, I can't even make ends meet. I don't have money to invest. You are lying to yourself. You're doing the biggest disservice to yourself. Okay. You go check out the website. There is some actually good rules of thumb there. My philosophy is nobody is going to help you other than you. Your parents are not going to help you. Government's certainly not going to help you. You are in charge of your financial future. And when I say this, I know finance, being on Wall Street plus 30 plus years, probably 10x, 20x more than I know rideshare. You are in charge of your financial freedom, financial future. And you need to invest. It doesn't matter how high the market is, how low the market is, whatever it is. It doesn't have to be the market. It doesn't have to be these YOLO people that you see on Robinhood. None of that stuff. Drip, 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 drip over long periods of time. You will see amazing, amazing results. So please go subscribe to my free newsletter. And www.sergioavadian.com, and check out the website, at least, even if you're not going to subscribe. There's a blue subscribe button. Click subscribe. And all I'm asking from you is an email address. I'm not asking your name. I'm not asking your phone number. I'm not asking anything. Just put an email. You automatically will be sent. And the topics are going to be about macroeconomy, trading, investing, all types of things, whatever floats your boat. And I think a lot of drivers could learn a lot, and I'm here to do it. So,
all right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.